In this video, we will learn how to predict a policy's value using Monte Carlo simulations.
Wouldn't it be amazing to know the consequences of every choice beforehand?
Monte Carlo methods simulate outcomes, helping us predict success in uncertain situations. These simulations are widely used in finance, robotics, and even scientific modeling. Think of a policy as a robot's instruction manual, guiding its every move. We simulate the robot's actions, carefully recording the rewards it earns. Monte Carlo evaluates these rewards, estimating the policy's overall value. More simulations mean a more accurate value estimate, thanks to the law of averages. We can improve the robot's policy by repeatedly evaluating and refining it. Let's evaluate the policy from various starting points, creating a state value function. Understanding the state value function allows us to tune the policy for peak performance. Monte Carlo methods can also evaluate strategies in games like blackjack. Policy evaluation helps us make smarter, more informed decisions in complex situations. By optimizing strategies, we can achieve improved outcomes across various fields. You can now predict outcomes and improve policies using Monte Carlo methods.
Subscribe for more content like this and start your prep today.